is just to keep a feel on both sides of the bit, and he's got this nice long neck, and he's going to say, I want to stretch. And you're going to say, no, I want you in a frame. But he says, okay, and he gives it the pull. You know, he's very light, he's very agreeable. Good. And you can see his, you know, it could be lower. Yeah. Now here's the thing. To get him to go on the bit, he has to go down to go round, right? Whoops. Okay. Did you hear me? He has to stretch down to go into the bridle. But that doesn't mean down and out. Got it? Carolyn, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay? Right. So when his head is up, you need to say, here, Harvey, flex and stretch, but don't go all the way down. Just go down into this frame that I want. Down there. Down there. Ask again. Down there. Good. Good. Okay, good. That's even better. To keep him a little bit deep is good, because he has a tendency to want to keep coming up. There you go. Good. And remember, you got to follow with the elbows. And anytime you're ready, we're going to pick up a trot. Yes, very nice.